I'm going to the fan. What, Jeffy? What was that? Jeffy, what was that noise? Jeffy! You just turn on the ceiling fan? Yeah. Oh, that's it. You're coming with me. That's it, Jeffy. If you don't want to do it yourself, well, about turning on the ceiling fan. Well, Jeffy, today you've been a bad boy. You said Jeffy's a bad boy. Oh, Jeffy, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You said Jeffy's a good boy? Yeah, but don't hit your head again. Well, promise me you'll never do that again. Okay, Daddy. Well, I'm about to jump in the ceiling fan again.